Slide.
My name is Mansi Prakash Argade from 3rd year electrical. Our topic name is 3-phase to single phase cycloconverter, output waveform generation and filtering. The objective of this topic is to convert 3-phase cycloconverter to single phase cycloconverter and observe output waveform. A single phase cycloconverter, we did the simulation of 3-phase to single phase cycloconverter. The cycloconverter is converted AC input to AC output. We apply the frequency as AC input at 50 Hz and output at 25 Hz. The circuit arrangements are we apply 3-phase supply to the input side. R will be connected to the circuit. Then 2 converter groups are present in the circuit. We apply 12 SCRs in this circuit. The 6 SCRs are positive converter and the other 6 SCRs are negative converter. The positive group supplies positive half cycle and the negative group supplies negative half cycle. Each converter is made up of 6 SCRs, and so the total is 12 SCRs. The control circuit decides which SCRs turn on at what time depending on the required output frequency and polarity. The load, the single phase resistive load or inductive load connected at the output terminal. And the working principle of this circuit is we did the input of 3-phase source of 50 Hz. Then each phase provides sinusoidal voltage shifted by 120 degree. Then SCR acts as a control switch. The control circuit triggers them in a particular order so that the load receives portion of 3-phase voltage. Depending on the which SCR conduct, the load sees either positive or negative voltage. During positive half cycle, the required output waveform, the positive converter group conducts from the 3 available input phases. The control circuit always select the phase that has the highest instantaneous positive voltage. During the negative half cycle, the negative converter group conducts, and the same process happens, but the control circuit now choose the phase with the most negative instantaneous voltage. And the output frequency reduction is controlling by how long each group conducts and how frequently the polarity changes. And the output frequency can be made lower than the input frequency as we apply the frequency in input 50 Hz, so the output frequency is 25 Hz. Then we apply in this circuit the filter for reducing the harmonic component in the circuit and for the smooth.
My name is Ankita Madhurka Gaikwad. I am explain the main components in simulation. Three-phase AC source. It is the input power supply, and there are 12 thyristor. They are main device for conversion. And firing circuit. It provides gate pulse to control SCR, and resistor for load. It limits current and protects circuit. And measuring blocks measure voltage and current. And ground, it is the ground for common reference point for circuit. And power, it is the power GUI. It is continuous for, it is simulation control. It is necessary for simulation. And it is pulse generator to generate control pulse for SCR. Thank you. Next explained by Sejal Gaikwad.
I am Gaikwad Sejal. I am explaining output waveform. First one is a single phase. First one is a three phase, and second one is a single phase waveform. Output waveform is looks like a sequence chopper sinusoidal segments. Scale from this waveform. If input is 50 Hz, then T is equals to 20 ms. Output waveform, for example, 50 Hz, T is equals to 40 ms. Hence, the output waveform has a half frequency and control amplitude. Application for this waveform. First one is a variable speed AC motor device. Second one is induction heatings. Third one is a low frequency power supply, and last one is air craft and speedboat power system.